Hi everyone, welcome to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today, for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to recover AOL account password. Now to begin the process, open the AOL web page first. So click open a new browser in your PC, click open a new tab, and there on the search bar type in aol.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page. Here on the web page, you need to click on login/join, click that. Once you're at this page, you provide your email address. Then click on next, and on the password providing page you will need to click on forgot password. With this, the recovery process for your password will begin. Now here you will need to click on yes, send me code. With this, AOL will send a code to the phone number of yours for confirming your account. So click on yes, send me code. You wait for the code and type in that code over here on the text box. Now once you receive it, you type in that code over here and then click on verify. This will verify your account and the phone number. With this, you will be able to provide a new password for your account right away. Type in the new password over here and then click on continue. With that, the password reset process is completed. Click on continue. Hope this video was useful on how to recover the AOL account password. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.